Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you a very unusual robot vacuum from Amazon that can work almost completely autonomously, and it needs you to empty the dust container far less often. Make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss new reviews and to support the channel. Let's begin. The robot arrives in a large box where everything is neatly arranged in separate compartments. The container, the dock and all accessories are securely fixed, so nothing gets damaged or scratched during shipping. Even during unboxing, you can tell the manufacturer paid attention to small details, and the first impression is definitely positive. The box includes the robot itself, the base with a large dust container, cleaning pads for mopping, spare brushes, and a manual. The robot looks modern with a neat body made from quality materials. The base is larger than usual because it houses an expanded waste reservoir. The robot itself is compact, maneuverable, and looks stylish. Overall, it feels like a well-designed and reliable device. The key feature of this model is the container that compresses dust on its own. Thanks to this, the robot can run much longer without your involvement. It handles both dry debris and wet cleaning. The vacuum navigates well, scans the rooms, and builds logical routes. It can clean multiple rooms, doesn't get confused, and returns to the exact spot where it left off. The robot also supports different cleaning modes and adjusts its path depending on the type of surface. This robot vacuum really reduces routine maintenance. Because the container compresses the dirt, it lasts much longer, and you don't need to empty it after every session. The mopping function works reliably. The pad wets the floor evenly. The robot cleans carefully along baseboards and picks up dust effectively. It's quiet enough not to disturb you even while watching a movie. Routes are planned accurately, it doesn't miss areas, and it doesn't get stuck in loops. Overall, it behaves like a truly autonomous helper that saves a noticeable amount of time. Due to the oversized container, the base takes up more space than standard models, something to consider if your apartment is small. The dust reservoir also needs to be checked occasionally because after compression, it may look emptier than it actually is. The wet cleaning feature is good for maintenance cleaning but cannot replace full floor washing. And if you have pets, you may need replacement pads or filters more often. The 3i G10 Plus robot vacuum leaves a very strong impression. It really cuts down on routine chores. The container needs emptying far less often, and the robot keeps the home tidy with minimal effort from you. Cleaning is accurate, navigation is smart, and the mopping mode is a nice bonus. It's a great fit for anyone who wants maximum convenience with minimal intervention. Considering the price on Amazon, the model looks like a very solid option for what it offers. Thanks for watching until the end. If this review was helpful, leave a like, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. More Amazon tech reviews are coming soon. See you in the next videos.